I can check all of my retirement things. I can check all of my crypto just from my phone. That's so crazy. 2021. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Saray Karen, and for today's video I am going to be showing you guys what is on my iPhone 12 Pro, but this video is going to be a little different. This is going to be a finance and investing version of what's on my iPhone, so let's get to the video. The first app that I have on my phone, and this is an app that I've had on my phone and I've used since I have learned how to trade, and that is going to be TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim app. This app I really love because it's an exchange that you use just for regular trading. And when I say regular trading, I mean stocks. You can purchase ETFs. I believe you can take out loans on margin. This app is something that I really love. And for those of you that are getting into trading and you don't know anything that I just said, TD Ameritrade also offers a really cool platform called paper trading. So if you guys are doing your research and you want to get into stock trading, but you're a little nervous because you don't know what it's about, paper trading with the Thinkorswim app is a really good option because they give you about $200,000 of fake money, so you can either make different trades with stocks, you guys can purchase ETFs, you can try shorting the stock market, which I definitely wouldn't do if I am a new investor, but all of those things I really like TD Ameritrade for. And they also have the option for you guys to look at different charts. So if you guys are technical analysis and you like looking at charts and you like looking at moving averages, things like that, I think TD Ameritrade has a really good charting platform. So that is number one, because that is an app that I've used back in undergrad. So like since 2007, I have been using this app, and that is an app that I learned a lot with the paper trading version of the Thinkorswim app. So I would definitely suggest downloading that. I want to say that none of this is sponsored, none of this is affiliated in any way. This is just my advice to you guys about what I use for investing. That is going to be Fidelity. Now, I don't make any normal purchases or trades within the Fidelity app, but I know that is an exchange that you can use. But the reason that Fidelity is on my phone and I use it is because previously when I worked at Apple had an employee stock purchase plan, so I had to use Fidelity through that. And with my current job, they also offer a employee stock purchase plan, so I use Fidelity for that reason. And I really like the app. I'm pretty sure it's like a normal brokerage app. You buy and trade pretty much, but I would say to you guys that are just getting into this trading that you definitely want to check out these apps and check out these exchanges because of the fees. How much is it going to cost you to buy and sell and things like that? And you always want to be mindful of the tax implications. So I like Fidelity just because I used it with Apple. I'm using it with my current job. Okay guys, those first two apps that I talked about were more so for the traditional stock trader. Now I am going to be talking about crypto style apps where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. These are the two apps that I mentioned in my previous video, and they are going to be Voyager coming in at number 3, and I believe Celsius coming in at number 4. I am going to give you guys the pros and the cons of these two crypto apps just because I know that crypto is a super hot buzzword right now and everyone's trying to get in on it. So with Voyager, I really like this app because they provide a lot of different cryptocurrencies for you to purchase. You can purchase Bitcoin, of course, Ethereum, you can purchase Doge, you can purchase VET. I don't think when you get into the deep meme coins, you can't get those yet on Voyager. I don't believe you can get Shiba Inu coin, things like that. But if you're looking for ADA, DOT, those types of stocks, those types of cryptocurrencies, you can purchase on Voyager. And that is why I like Voyager, because they do have more options than Celsius. The only downside I would say to Voyager is that they do take time for you to process your money. If you are trying to take any type of profits, Voyager is going to take about 2 business days for you to be able to move your money from the crypto to cash into your bank account. So that is the only downside. I didn't mention option with TD Ameritrade. Any normal stockbroker is going to take 2 business days to process a trade for you to be able to cash it out. And then it's going to take 1 business day for you to cash your money out into your bank account. And that is going to be with TD Ameritrade. So these stock and crypto apps are pretty much similar. If you guys didn't watch my last video, I did show you a little bit of Voyager. I really like Voyager. Like I said, it is a really easy app to use. You have all of the different cryptocurrencies you can choose from here in Voyager, and they also give you the option to, of course, look at what the chart is like. You can see the ask price, bid price. You can see the 24-hour high of the stock. You can see the 52-week low. Everything that would be in your traditional app is here in Voyager. I really like Voyager for that reason. Now, coming into Celcius, Celcius is going to be if you guys are making a larger cryptocurrency purchases and you're going to hold it in the app. Celcius Wallet is an app that is going to require a little bit more for you to get into some of these cryptocurrency positions, but I love this app. Right now I'm logged out because you gain interest on it. I gain interest every week on my cryptocurrency, which is really, really nice. I'm not sure if you can set up a recurring buy, but I don't see why you wouldn't be able to. So yes, if you want to gain interest on your money and you're making slightly bigger cryptocurrency purchases, you are definitely going to want to use Celcius and hold it in there, because that way you can make passive income with the interest you're gaining on your cryptocurrencies. Lastly, I know there is so much information on the internet, on YouTube, on Twitter about stocks and trading and crypto and everything. I want to say I am not a financial advisor. I am too lazy to take my series 6 and 7 after undergrad. So this is not financial advice in any way. I am just letting you guys know this is the way that I invest and I try and prepare for retirement. So I want to bring it to you guys because I definitely think these apps I'm talking about are easy to use, easy to understand, and once you guys do your research, keyword guys, do your research, I definitely think these are apps that you guys are gonna like. So before I end the video, I want to show you guys 2 downsides to apps that I mentioned previously, and I kind of touched on it with Voyager. I don't like the fact that Voyager makes you wait. I think it's like 3 to 5 business days to get your money into the bank. I don't know if that's because this app doesn't have that good of liquidity. Liquidity means how easily you can turn your crypto into cash and cash it out. So I don't know how liquid Voyager is. That is the only downside I see. Another app that I used to use that I really don't like anymore is Bitpay. I would say don't use Bitpay. The fees are really, really, really high. And if your main goal is to grow your retirement, I would definitely look into the fees with everything that I've mentioned. And even apps that I didn't mention, if you guys are using exchanges or anything like that, you always want to look at the fees. You always want to try and maximize your investment, and fees do add up if you guys are trying to move a lot of crypto from one exchange to the next. Fees with traditional brokerages, I believe they're a little more simple, but I would say again, you guys, do your research. Okay. That is it for the video, you guys. I know that was a lot. If you guys like these finance, Apple, iOS app related videos, I will be making more of those on the channel. If you guys don't know, my undergrad degree was in marketing and I have my master's in finance, working on my master's in accounting. So I am not a financial advisor, but I do know what I'm talking about. So if you guys like these types of videos, hit the like button. Definitely, you guys, check out the community tab on my YouTube channel. I do so many polls. I love getting you guys' feedback. I love knowing what you want versus what you don't want, so I don't waste my time making videos that you guys won't even watch. But that is it for this video. I love talking about it. I love helping you guys learn more about finance when it comes to investing on these apps, because it is so easy. Everything is so handheld now. My iPhone 12 Pro is basically, I don't know, I can check all of my retirement things. I can check all of my crypto just from my phone. That's so crazy. 2021. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to be subscribed. Don't forget to hit that like button. SKS Squad, you guys are the best. I will see you in the next one. Peace.